Okay, I got this. Hi, my name is Anna from Babble Dabble Do. Welcome to Arm & Hammer's summer camp. I am going to be your camp counselor this week for all things science-y. Today we're going to make the fan favorite by all means, slime. And our surprise twist on this classic recipe, our slime is going to be tie-dyed. And it is sure to get a reaction out of your kids. So parents, get ready to grab these ingredients. To make our tie-dye slime, we're gonna need 3 different colors of slime. So I've got 3 different bowls for each of the colors that I'm gonna be mixing up. To get started, I'm gonna pour 4 ounces of glue in each of my bowls. You may wanna have a spoon handy to scrape all the glue into your bowl. Once our glue is poured, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Arm & Hammer baking soda to each of the bowls. Now it's time to mix. Time to add some color. Here's a pro tip, you guys. Use a different spoon for each color that you're mixing so that you get nice, bright colors. These are looking gorgeous. We are gonna slowly add in a few drops of contact lens solution. Now, it ends up being about 2 teaspoons by the time you're finished, but you only wanna add in a couple drops at a time. You can just keep adding it until you see it start to pull away from the sides of your bowl. If you add too much, your slime will end up like a big rubbery ball and you won't be able to get it back once that's done. You'd have to start over. So once your slime starts pulling away from the bowl, it's time to start kneading it. I like to knead while it's still in the bowl. That way, if there's any little bits of slime or glue, I can kind of rub the sides of the bowl and I can begin to get all of those materials, all those ingredients into my slime. I like to tell my kids that this is like kneading dough. So this is a lot like when you knead bread dough. You need to really get in here and mix it. You'll know when it's ready, when it begins to sort of pull apart like this, and when it doesn't stick to your hands. So if it's still sticking to your hands, what you'll need to do is just add a few more drops of contact lens solution, and then it should start to pull together a little more. All right, so I'm gonna do this for all of my colors. And this is the consistency that you want your slime to look like. All right, you guys, and for the next step, for our tie-dyeing step, grab a tray or a cookie sheet. That way you can protect your work surface. So the whole mixing process takes about 20 minutes. That's just enough time for you guys to decide what show you're gonna binge tonight when your kids go to bed. Okay, now we get to tie-dye our slime. So for this part, you might wanna pull your slime apart like this into sort of like a long ribbon. And then we're gonna put them together. And we're gonna sort of twist them. Okay, isn't that beautiful? That looks so beautiful, you guys. Woo, that looks awesome. We started with the primary colors, and the cool thing you're gonna notice now is that you're gonna see some of the secondary colors appear. So we're gonna see greens, oranges, and purples. Full disclosure, tie-dye slime is only tie-dyed for a little bit of time. So you wanna go a little bit slow on this color mixing part. We will end up with a brown or a maroon by the end of this. I hope you enjoyed making slime today. Be sure to come back every day this week because we're gonna be doing different science experiments every single day. See you soon, you guys.